Hello everyone, I am Noel Christopher Diti and now I will report about what is active listening and how does it differ from passive listening. Active listening in a call center, like it means fully concentrating, understanding, and responding about what the customer is saying. It involves fully, it involves engaging respond to the customer, like verbal affirmation like that. For example, when the customer is saying something to you or he is or the customer is have a problem about your product he, and she or and the customer is explaining and you will engage, you will fully respond to the customer like I understand, let me clarify like that, and asking relevant questions to engage better to the customer. And passive listening, on the other hand, means hearing the customer but without fully engaging or not acknowledging it properly. You just listen but you are not understanding it fully. And it it will it will move to the bad customer service in a call center. So active listening is better than passive listening because active listening it means like you are understanding the customer problem or concerns about your product and it will lead to better communication and better relationship with the customer. That's all. Thank you. Hello, I'm back. I'm Noel Christopher DT and now I will report about why is active listening is important in customer service. The number one is it enhance customer experience. So active listening is directly impacts the customer experience. Like for example, the in the Philippines, the telecom company, like when the customer has a problem and it will call to the agent, like when the agent, the one who received the call use is actively listening about the problem, it will boost the customer experience of the customer because the agent will understand more and gen it and the agent will genuinely listen to the customer about the problem and they will build a trust and quicker and more effective solutions when the agent understand more about the problem of the customer. And number two, it will boost customer retention. The ability to keep customers over the long term, known as customer retention. So, active listening will boost customer retention because when you are active listening about the problem, for example, the telecom company, like I said, it will significantly be better and more quicker, more quicker experience or quicker solution to the problem. And when you are actively listening to the customer and the customer will feel valued and heard about their problems and it will increase and their loyalty and more more chances to promote their more chances to promote your product because it will boost your image positively. So that's all for my report. Thank you.
Good day. As my co-reporter explained, in the previous slides about active listening enhances customer experience and helps to retain customers. Now let's look at two more important reasons why active listening is very important in a customer service. So the third one is it strengthens brand loyalty. Because when a customer feel valued and understood, they are more likely to trust and come back or stick with the brand. And businesses who are actively listening to their customer can create a strong relationships and even leading to a long-term loyalty. So um, for example, I am having an issue with an online order. So I had to call to different customer service hotlines. And in the first one, um, the agent listens to me carefully and assures me that they will fix the problem right away. And while in the second one, they keep interrupting and seems like uninterested with my problem and with what I'm having. So which company will I trust more? Of course, the first one, because they are um they are keep assuring me that they'll fix my problem. That is why active listening is matters. So the last reason why active listening is very important in customer service because it improves efficiency. Um, Active listening allows customer service representatives to quickly understand the issue and the problem and provide accurate solutions. So in that way, this avoids confusions and reduces call times and makes the process smoother for both customers and the businesses. So example is that I am calling with our internet provider because of our slow connection. So if the agent listens to me carefully, they can immediately diagnose the issue and fix it. But if they keep asking me the same question again and again, or asking me to repeat the problem and give incorrect troubleshooting steps, it will waste my time and even frustrates me. So that is why um, active listening is very important because it improves efficiency. So in conclusion, active listening is it's not just about hearing what this customer is saying, but it's about truly understanding customers. It builds trust, improves communications, enhances customer satisfaction. And when businesses prioritize active listening, they will create better experience and stronger relationships to their customers. So, yeah, whether we're in a customer service or just a helping a friend, it's a reminder for us that showing an empathy or listening actively, it will make them feel valued and listening carefully makes all the difference. So that's it for our report. Thank you so much.